Roomba AI is a popular robot vacuum known for its convenience and smart features. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. For self-emptying base, one of its main features is the clean base automatic dirt disposal, which allows the Roomba AI to empty its bin automatically, saving you from the hassle of emptying it frequently. Smart navigation, it uses AI navigation and VSLAM technology to efficiently navigate, clean your home, ensuring thorough coverage. App and voice control the Roomba AI using the iRobot Home app or with an Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, providing convenient ways to start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions. Customizable cleaning schedules. The app allows you to set up personalized cleaning schedules based on your preferences and lifestyle. Adaptive cleaning, it adjusts its cleaning behavior based on the floor type automatically, increasing suction power on carpets and focusing on dirtier areas. High efficiency filter. The Roomba AI comes with a high efficiency filter that captures 99% of that dog allergens, making it suitable for pet owners or those with allergies. It's relatively expensive compared to other robot vacuums. Noisy